Hi everyone, I know you don't know me, but I will introduce myself to you all. It's a late night video, so I'm very tired. My phone is 20% charged because I've been trying to record this video for a very long time. I am Harvey, I tutor and I study psychology. I am doing my master's in applied psychology and I'm also preparing for M Clinical Psych RCI for the license to become a clinical psychologist. And I'm very excited. I really want to become a clinical psychologist. I want to heal people and I want to see what is more to give in this world. I want to help people. I want to look out for people. And that is why I chose psychology. And that is why I want to become a clinical psychologist specifically because I want to understand about people, different disorders. I want to help them out. And definitely don't want to make them feel that there's something wrong with them. And I don't want to make them feel bad about themselves and bad about them in any way. If they have a disorder, if they have any problem, and they can come to me anytime they want. And that is why I chose to become a clinical psychologist, and that is why I chose psychology. And I will always choose psychology in every universe. My body will love psychology, my heart will love psychology, and my brain will love psychology, because I am not even exaggerating. I can study psychology for the whole day and I will not get tired of it, because this is a subject which has healed me as a person, as a human being. And I don't know why, I just want to tell you that this is a late night video. Of course, I am a human being. Before choosing psychology, I was a human being. I'm still a human being. I get insecure about some things about myself. I'm insecure about my voice. I'm insecure about my English. Insecure about the way I look. And I'm insecure about the way I sound sometimes. My English, I get a little hasty when I talk and I rush a lot. I speak very fast and I feel that people hate that and they don't like talking to me. There's so many things that I have in my mind right now while making this video. But let me tell you this thing, that this is a trial video. You can come to me about your problems and I will treat you like a friend and not like, of course, a psychologist. If you want, I have started doing this recently, that if someone has problems, of course I'm not a psychologist yet, but if someone has problems, they can come to me, they can reach out to me on Instagram, on my email, and they can talk to me. I will not treat them like one of my case studies. Of course, I will treat them like my babies, my friends, my bestest friends in the world, and I will help them out as much as I can. If they want a good therapist, I will recommend them that. I will suggest them a good therapist for them. If they want someone to listen to them, I will be there for them. If they want someone to order food for them, I might be doing that for them as well. So I just want to make good friends, and the friends that I can rely on, I can trust on, I can count on them, because I can make a lot of friends right now, but I can't trust them, right? I have friends, I like hanging out with them, but honestly, I can't trust them fully. So I was looking for some friends. I was looking for some friends to make content with me as well. So this is a trial video. If you want, you can reach out to me. If you don't want, you can just subscribe to me. It will be a little help from your side as well. And from my side, again, the help I'm giving you is just reaching out to me anytime you want, and you will do that, you will not do that, it's totally up to you. No force, no pressure. But if you do that, we can be great friends. But I just need a little bit of reassurance. I overthink a lot, and I ruminate about a lot of things all the time. So I'm an overthinker basically, and I have things, I have issues. But apart from that, I'm a great friend. You can rely on me for anything, for most of the things, I hope. But if you don't want to, that's totally fine. And if you want to really help me, can you please subscribe to my channel and stay connected to me for my content? I hope you like whatever I spoke in today's video, because I was insecure about the way I looked as a child, and growing up I hated everything about myself. I am a little nervous, but I hope the videos that I make in the future, I am not nervous in them. I don't talk this quickly, this fast. But I hope this is a great video for you guys if you're watching this at late night, because it's 1 a.m. and I just want to sleep right now because I'm really tired. But I love you all, and I know I look like shit, but just ignore the fact that I have not been sleeping properly for the last 7 days. Anyways, I hope you have a great night. I hope you sleep properly. No nightmares, no bad dreams. And that's it for now. I love you.